everybody, what's up? My name's Julia, and if this is your first time coming to my channel or watching one of my videos, then I'm not really surprised because I only have 3. But today's video will be my updated makeup everyday routine. It's going to be similar to my last video, but hopefully nowhere near as cringy. And I would also like to think that my technique's gotten a little bit better since I haven't posted in almost a year. But before I even start rambling, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
Okay, so today I'm basically gonna do a talk through or whatever it's called, a voiceover get ready with me, because whenever I make any other type of get ready with me, I tend to take way too long when I'm freaking talking while doing my makeup. So I just decided to try out this method and see if I did better. And so far I edited the video within a reasonable amount of time, so as long as I can keep going along with what I'm doing, I think I should be okay. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Clean and Clear Moisture Burst and I'm going to go ahead and rub that on my face. And this is just a very hydrating moisturizer, and I like to do this before I do my eyebrows. I'll take a small amount and just rub it on my face. I don't put my primer on yet, I just do this. And I also put on a lip conditioner from Nyx. It's like hemp seed. I'll include it in the down low. I decided for the sake of this video that I'm not going to put my eyebrow routine in here, and I'm just going to save that for the next one. Now I will take 2 primers, but I only use the first one in my T-zone. That's what I'm doing now, is I'm just applying a thin layer to my T-zone, and then I'm taking the blur stick from Revolution and just putting that all over my face before I conceal my eyebrows. And I just wanted to include this part before I do this part. Now I have finished my eyebrows and I'm just taking 3 foundations. This was kind of a process to try and get my shade because I was still a little burnt from tanning the other day. So I just take a few of my foundations. All of the foundations are by Maybelline Fit. They're just in a few different shades. And I just kept mixing those until I found my perfect shade. And then I just sit here and literally beat my face for a good 3 to 5 minutes to just make sure everything sinks in my skin well. Now after doing this, I will take this brush from Real Techniques, and I absolutely love this brush. And if you don't have this buffing brush, I recommend, well, we can't leave our house, but I recommend you order this brush right now. So stop what you're doing and just go order this brush, because this brush is the best brush I've ever had since I started doing makeup. It's just good for everything. And now I will start my concealer, and don't get freaked out by how much concealer I put on. It's just basically how I create my own plastic surgery for free. I create my own false cat eye, and I just take that to the top. That's my tip, is to take it to the very tip top of your cheekbone. And then I mix a lighter one right on the inner corner of my eye to make it even brighter. Shade, that's my HD one from Nyx, and it just makes it look super smooth. And I put that on my nose, bridge of my nose, and then I make a shape on the top of my forehead. And right here, I am applying a little bit darker of the same HD concealer, but this is what I'm going to use to contour with. And now I'm just blending, and just like I was beating the foundation in, I'm going to take my time here and blend this concealer until it just seamlessly is blended in with the rest of my makeup. My concealer's blended, I will take my second favorite brush, that is by Morphe, and this is another just good universal stippling blending brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend out my green contour that I put on earlier. I'm going to take a little bit more with my stippling brush from e.l.f. and just use that to carve out my cheekbones. And use the buffing brush on top just to blend it more seamlessly. Now, after I do all of my blending, I'm going to take a translucent face powder. Not the loose powder yet. I would take the translucent powder and I beat that into my face with a thin layer, and then I'll take my brightening powder and bake with that. And the only part I drag is towards the end, and this is what really gives me my plastic surgery effect. Take just a little bit more to just set my inner corners to, like I said, just brighten that area up even more. And now for baking, you also want to take it as high underneath your cheekbone as you can to really define your line. I just want to do that on both sides. I kind of messed up on that side, so you know, it's okay there. And then I set my face while I'm baking. Don't know what the hell I'm doing. Then I take my large powder brush from I don't know and blend off the excess powder. Now I'm just gonna contour. I just want to go around the dome shape that I created earlier with the concealer, and that's where I contour on my forehead, then my nose. I'm just contouring with an eyeshadow brush. And I apply 2 layers of blush because blushes is literally one of my favorite parts of my makeup, and it's the first thing to go, so you don't want to go crazy heavy, but just apply right on top of your cheeks, right on top of your nose. And then right on top of like the outer dome shape. Applied a little bit too much, and you can kind of see that, but it's okay, because I go freaking crazy when it comes to blush. But of course, just blend it out with the same buffing brush. See how multi-purpose this is? I use it after literally everything I do. Like, go get this freaking brush. It's only like $7. Probably cheaper than that now. Okay, moving right into eyeshadow. This is just my everyday eyeshadow. There's really not much to this at all. You just want to take this light brown color from the Morphe 350 matte palette. And you just take the light brown and you put it right in your crease and just blend it. And I blend it right out, like going towards the end of the eyelash. Not eyelash, eyebrow, sorry. Right here, I'm just taking this medium, like dark brown shade, and I'm just going to take that shade and apply it to the highest peak in my crease, and I'm just going to keep blending that out before I put any more product, and then you can just build it up to however you like. This will help to just make your eyes pop, almost sort of give the effect of a smoky eye, but not that intense. I wanted to stop the voiceover for a second and do my own little part since I'm about to do my lashes. Today's lashes will actually be one of my own pair of lashes. I have 4 different pairs, and this pair that I'm going to be wearing today, since I'm doing a natural beat, is going to be Link. These are 20 millimeters. They're real mink firm. They're really soft, and these are the most natural pair I have. And yeah, they're very pretty and very fluffy. So I just wanted to give myself a little shout out. And all of these lashes are available through my Instagram. I have a lash deal going on, 2 for $15 or 1 for $8. And I have 1 pair that's 25 millimeters and the rest are all 20 millimeters. So I definitely think you should check those out. And all right, let's get back to it. So before I put on my lashes, I curl my lashes, I prep them with mascara, and then while I wait for the glue to dry on my eyelashes, I'll just put my bronzer on. I've had this bronzer for forever, so I don't want to hear a peep. there's nothing really here. I just use like a reddish brown shade to line my lip. And then I just mix two of the lipsticks from NYX Lingerie together to create this pretty like pink nude shade. I really liked my lipstick. Highlight is probably definitely my favorite part. I tend to go all out every single time, but I don't care. Yeah, I really don't care. So yeah, here's me going very obsessive, but that's just, it's every day for me. And then I cannot forget about my inner corner highlight. That is probably the most vital step of the makeup routine, period. Then I'll put on some bottom lash mascara. I'll just finish with some setting spray and bronzer, and then that basically wraps up my whole makeup look. Okay, well this basically wraps up my video for the day. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that it was so long for me to post another video, but honestly, I'm so happy now. Like, I'm starting my channel off on the right foot. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for coming this far. I hope you learned something. If you didn't, also sorry. And I tried my best to list all the products below in the order that I used them. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, like the video, and there's definitely more to come. So bye.